The ugliest questions you could have are these ones, all right? So it says in triangle ABC, a BD is the perpendicular bisector. So let's go ABC, BD. Now, it really doesn't matter how you draw it. All right, I think it's a little easier if you draw it like that. Is the perpendicular bisector of ADC. So it does that. All right. So what does it also do? Well, it's a median, okay, for sure, which means that that one's out because it goes to the middle because it bisects it. All right. Then it says it cuts the angle in half and it makes it isosceles. All right. Well, it looks like neither of those things are true, but obviously at least one of them is true because there's nothing that says one only. All right. So let's talk about what's going on here. Well, I have two triangles. I have this triangle on the left hand side and this triangle on the right hand side. They both have a right angle. They both have a side that is congruent. And then by reflexive property, that's congruent. So these triangles are congruent by side angle side. If they're congruent, it means each part in one triangle has a matching part in the other triangle, which means those two are the same. And then these two are the same. And then so are these two. All right, because of corresponding parts of congruent triangles. That means that it is 1,000% isosceles, and that also happens. So it's actually all three of them. That is a very difficult question to get all the way through. There is a lot of thinking involved in that question, and those are the ones to be very careful for. And I would suggest to you to leave them until the end when you're done with everything else that you're sure you know how to do so that you can commit some time to drawing some pictures and playing around with those kind of questions.